Well, the ControlUp and iGel partnership is really been in the making for a while. Because if you look at iGel from the endpoint, and then you look at ControlUp, where we're trying to manage everything all the way down until the endpoint, the marriage, you saw that it was going to happen sooner or later. You saw there was going to be some type of partnership between the two companies sooner or later. Because, like I said, iGel is looking at the endpoint devices, and we're looking at how to troubleshoot and manage the overall environment as a whole. So when you bring them together, you have an end-to-end solution that will give a customer everything that they need. iGel already has a management system to help manage and monitor their device by itself. Our software looks at it from the standpoint of looking at the Citrix servers, whether it's looking at the hypervisor or the XenApp box or the XenDesktop VDAs that are running on those iGel devices. And again, we can see with the combination of both our companies, we can see a holistic view of everything that's happening from the standpoint of the endpoint device or the end user or the server or the hypervisor. Everything can be managed, monitored, and troubleshot from the exact same location. So the value of the software together is being able to resolve IT tickets a lot faster and helping the IT department as a whole be more proactive, okay? So if a user is having a problem, usually they may complain to everybody else except for creating a help desk ticket and calling the IT department to get that problem resolved. So let's say Frank is having a problem. Frank is complaining to his cubicle mates, he's complaining to his manager, he's complaining to everybody that will listen to, anybody at the water cooler, but the one person or the one department that he hasn't contacted was the IT department. And then at the end of the day, maybe he called the IT department and said, this morning when I went to log in, everything was slow. Or this morning, my Citrix environment wasn't acting how it used to be. Or the biggest complaint that you would hear is, everything was working fine when I had my old computer, but now you replaced it and everything is slow. So now, when the IT department can actually be more proactive, and from that console, from that single pane of glass, they can actually get a ticket created automatically when that user is having a problem. For example, if their logon duration was too long, then a ticket is going to populate the IT help desk, and now we can go in and take a look at what's happening with Frank today, and the IT department is being more proactive. So now Frank, if you did an example of Frank yesterday and Frank tomorrow, yesterday he's complaining to everybody, and then maybe he calls the IT department. Tomorrow, the IT department is being more proactive, and they're calling Frank and telling Frank, we see that you have a problem, let's take a look at it. So the solution, or the partnership between the company, is giving you end-to-end visibility of what's happening from the end user all the way back up to the Citrix environment. So top down or bottom up, the partnership between iGel and ControlUp will allow IT departments to be more proactive. Citrix gives you a piece of the pie. It doesn't give you that end-to-end troubleshooting solution. They give you their piece of the pie that they're going to deliver the desktop to the end user. Well, that's great until the end user is having a problem. So once the end user is having a problem, now we have to troubleshoot the problem. Or if the end user is using a fat client, old desktop, a laptop, well, now you have iGel to actually give them a more cost-effective endpoint that they're going to use. And then you have the management software that helps manage this whole new environment, but you still have to look at everything again from either bottom up or top down. And the combination of ControlUp and iGel gives you that end-to-end viewage into that environment. Citrix, when it delivers the desktop, it gives you a piece of the pie. It's only a small piece, but from the end user standpoint, it's very important. But the combination of iGel and ControlUp completes that pie. It gives you the entire pie so you can see everything that's happening and not just that single slice.